Hello students, welcome to the online class. Class is for BSc students at Physics, third semester, Mangalore University, 16th session of Working Principle of Appliances. In this session, we will discuss Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker, abbreviated as ELCB, and Lightning Conductor. Let us discuss one by one. First is Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker, that is ELCB. An ELCB is a safety device used for installing an electrical device with high earth impedance to avoid electric shock. These devices identify small stray voltages of the electrical device on the metal enclosures and intrude the circuit if a dangerous voltage is identified. Here, this is the diagram of ELCB. ELCBs operate on the principle of sensing the difference between the phase current and neutral current that appears under earth fault conditions. If ample voltage appears across the ELCB's sense coil, it will turn off the power and remain off until manually reset. Basically, ELCB is used where the earth impedance is high. In case of degradation of electrical insulation, a live conductor may get in touch with the metallic part of the equipment, and due to high earth impedance, potential difference between the body of equipment to the earth will be high enough to result in electric shock to the working person. ELCB detects the leakage current to the earth, it trips the associated breaker to isolate the supply. There are two types of ELCBs, voltage ELCB and current ELCB. Let us discuss one by one. So this is the circuit diagram of voltage ELCB. Voltage ELCB has a coil, and if the voltage across the coil exceeds a predetermined value, the current through the coil will be sufficient enough to trip the circuit. Voltage ELCB is connected in between the metallic part of the equipment and the earth. Example, in case of insulation failure, the voltage across the coil of voltage ELCB will drive enough current to cut the power supply till it is manually reset. A voltage sensing ELCB doesn't detect fault currents from the human or animal to the earth. This is about voltage ELCB. The another ELCB is current operated ELCB. Here this is the circuit diagram of current ELCB. A current operated ELCB, which is also known as residual current drive RCD, consists of toroidal iron core over which phase and neutral windings are wound. A secondary coil is also wound on the same iron core, which in turn is connected to the trip coil as shown in the circuit diagram. Here, this figure shows the constructional details of current ELCB. Under normal operating condition, current through the phase winding and neutral winding are same, but both the windings are wound in such a manner to oppose EMFs of each other. Therefore, net EMF in the toroidal iron core will be But when earth leakage current exists in the load side, an unbalance is created, resulting the generation of voltages in secondary winding. The current from the secondary winding is fed to sensitive relay which sends a command to trip a switching device breaker if the leakage current exceeds a preset value. This is about current ELCB. This Now let us discuss lightning conductor. What is lightning conductor? Lightning conductor is a simple arrangement to protect tall buildings from the lightning. Here, the diagram shows the arrangement of lightning conductor protect the buildings from the lightning. It consists of a long, thick and straight copper rod passing through the building to the ground. The lower end of the rod is connected to copper plate buried deeply into the ground. A metal plate with a number of spikes is connected to the top end of the copper rod and kept at the top of the building. Thus, a lightning protection system involves a network of air terminals, bonding conductors, and ground electrodes to provide a low impedance path to ground. The underground part of the assembly should give high conductivity. So the cable used should resist corrosion and it can be covered in salt to improve conductivity to earth. The conductor rod must be a good conductor possessing low inductive reactance. The down conductor route between air terminals and ground is kept shortest without any bend. If not, lightning current may arc over a resistive or reactive obstruction and the conductor gets damaged. Sufficient precautions must be taken to prevent sparks occurring between conductive objects on or near the LC system. The surge of lightning current through a LC will create large potential difference which can cause spark between conductor of LC and nearby conducting objects like plumbing. It can cause significant damage to the flammable structures of house. Suppose a negatively charged cloud passes over the building, positive charge will be induced on the pointer conductor. The positively charged sharp points ionize the air in the vicinity. It will partly neutralize the negative charge of the cloud, thereby lowering the potential of the cloud. The negative charges that are attracted to the conductor travel down to the earth, thereby preventing the lightning stroke from the damage of the building. This is about the lightning conductor. Thank you.